Let's start today's drawing. For that I am going to draw plus sign on the bottom of the paper, not really on the bottom, kind of little. This is the middle point for my paper, this one, so I'm doing little bit down. Now I'm picking this much length for this side and same length I'm going to pick over here. Now from here I'm going to draw a smiley face both sides. Instead of straight, I will go little bit up. Same thing I will do little bit down like a smiley face. From this side I'm going to pull one line. From this side I will pull one line, and I will do the same thing like I did here. And I will connect both of them, and I will erase everything from inside. Now from here I'm going to pick one point here, and same thing I will do here. If you want longer, you can do here, totally up to you, as much as long part you want. So this much I want, so from here I will pull this one and I will pull this one at the starting, pull this one in. Same thing I will do this side too. So this way I got these two lines. This is a straight, so I have to curve exactly like that. So I will go here and I will curve this one. And the corners I will curve little bit more. And I will erase all my extra lines. And I will erase this part too. Now this line we can see I'm going to draw another line very close to this line, super duper skinny, slowly by slowly, and I will go all the way here. So we can see our first line. So what I'm going to do, I will erase this part and I will erase this part too, and then the inner one, this line, I will turn all the way to other side like this. Now from here I'm going to draw a smiley face over here, and from here, if you want roundish one, you can do roundish one. If you want long one, you can do long one. I really like the roundish one. Now I got the shape, so I can make it a little bit darker. Whatever line I really like, I will pick that line, and later I'm going to erase all extra lines. Now from here I'm going to go up like a handle and go down this way, maybe a little bit more thicker to make it more roundish if you want. And this side, same thing I will do, but I will do little bit smaller, like 2 ears. Now this is the line, middle line I can see here, so I can draw eyes over here. And then mouth is going to be kind of like a triangle. Let's do with the triangle shape first, and then I will curve them. So this is triangle shape. Instead of sharp things, I will curve all 3 corners, and then I will do double lines. So now I'm going to curve all the sides too. So all sides are curvy. Now if you want, you can do longer ones or circly ones, totally up to you. Reflections over here, and little bit we will do later when we are going to shade. From here I'm going to draw one line here, and this line is going here. One line from here, and this line will go here. So a little bit different, so not the same size. So this is, if this is the long, I'm going to make this one a little bit smaller, and from here I will do one line here, second line here, one line maybe here, here like that. Maybe this one will go here, this one will go here, and in this one I will do one smiley face over here. For this one, tiny smiley face over here, and on the top it's kind of like an alphabet V, but thicker here and thinner on the top, because these are going to be alphabet V shapes. So we can do one, two. You don't have to do two of them every time. Even over here we can do two. Some are going to be small. I don't know why I have line here, so let's erase this line, and we can do one here, one tiny one here, one here, one, and then two, maybe a little bit tiny. One is big here, one, this one is big. Now the main part we are going to do here, this is the area where we are going to do another part. So for that I erase this part. Now this is the line. On the top of the line I'm going to do half this side, half this side, and then I will do rectangle shape. Now this rectangle shape I'm going to curve on the corners. This corner is roundish, and this one is also curvy, this one is curvy, this one is curvy. Now again in the middle I'm going to do one square shape. Same thing, I will do all corners curvy. This, instead of straight, I will curve this one too slightly. This one too, we will do this one too, but this one is going to be a little bit inside style. So this sad face, sad face. Now we have to do 3 dots, 1, 2, 3 here and here, like that, and in the middle. So this one less gap and this is big gap, so I will try to fix this part. So make sure you are doing the same gap both side. And we can do, let me erase this inside line, and then I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's start. So I already did the outline with the charcoal pencil. If you don't want to use the charcoal pencil and you have a pen, you can outline with the pen too.